have made it to Grand Prairie, Texas to check out the Wax Museum and Ripley's Believe It or Not. So I think that's exactly what we're going to do, believe it or not.
Looks like Millie.
It does, kind of.
I'm sorry.
Here we got this creepy looking lion, tiger, cat of some sort.
Someone made that by hand.
Yeah, out of yarn.
Crocheted it.
That is crazy looking.
I wonder how much they got paid for that.
I don't know, they got 3 of them over here.
This was built when I was born.
Was it 2012?
Yep.
Alright, let's make our way in. This pretty cool looking building. Definitely doesn't look like it'd be in Texas. Well, I guess that's also some of the appeal to it. And then we got Brittany over here. Alright, it's looking like some of these are a little switched up, which is good to me. Boom, I got this guy behind me. Who are you? Benicio del Toro?
Way different.
Beyonce, one of the better ones I've seen. And we got a Will Ferrell up here at the top of the stairs.
We got John Legend.
We got Drake right here, looking all Drake-ish. And we got John Legend right here. We got old Lady Gaga. We got Jason Statham over here. And I like how they even made him with his hair part. Very cool. Oh, we got this guy with a gun. Daniel and Craig. I hope you're here to protect and not to hurt. We got Keanu Reeves.
Who's he?
John
Is he in a
Wick.
movie?
And he looks extra emo. Why do you look so emo? Here we got J-Lo. Looking fierce. And then we have Taylor Swift. Apparently they've done her wrong. She does kind of look a little like she's got the Donald Trump haircut. Oh, sorry, Taylor. Here we have our current president, Joe Biden, with Kamala Harris. She kind of looks a little scary, I'm not gonna lie, and shorter than I would expect. Then we have every single president to be the president of the United States. Look at old Abraham Lincoln up there. They all look so scary. What is your name? Millard Fillmore. You look freaking scary. This guy. They all look like they got a bad case of the diarrheas.
This guy's terrifying.
Who is that? Dwight Eisenhower. This guy's kind of spooky look. He looks like he's got something going on.
Donald Trump.
And the guy behind him. Oh my gosh, these people all look horrifying. They look like they could pop out at you anytime, huh?
I know.
Then we have Johnny Depp. Looking extra fashionable.
Opened it.
Got the shades
my
on.
man.
What's in it?
Nothing.
Nothing. We've been
Well, maybe
bamboozled.
There's something in there.
Oh, we got another one. They got a whole bunch of new ones. We got Elon Musk right here.
Ooh. Sorry.
Bill Gates. Jeff Bezos. What? Mark Zuckerberg. JT's not new. And Jimmy Fallon's not new. And Jimmy Kimmel's not new, but it's still kind of cool. I wish they had the heights next to them, because you know that Elon and Zuckerberg over there are talking about getting it in one-on-one, and I want to know who you think would win out of Elon Musk And Mark Zuckerberg.
What does he do?
It looks a little spooky. We got the Harry Potter kids and oh, I am so excited. I can't see anything, so no jump scares. What is going on? Oh, look at this. She's gonna change. Come on, turn off the light. See, that's her before. Come on, turn. And there she is now.
How does that happen? It's just like...
Oh, excuse us. Oh, this is my dream.
Cool.
This is my dream. I've always, forever and always wanted to go down the yellow brick road. There's those feet. And I've always wanted to meet my best friends. Oh. Let's get a little... Oh, they did so good on y'all. You guys are beautiful.
Your heart, your poor heart.
Alright. Oh, look above you. She's about to throw a fireball at us. Oh, that's a jump scare.
We're gonna melt.
Oh, this is about freedom. It says let freedom ring, so I'm guessing this is going to be some patrioticness. Okay, okay. What is this? We got some old school England stuff. King John. Who are you over here? I don't know who that is. This is the Declaration of Independence. You got all these folks at the table. You got the Civil War people over here. Ulysses Grant, Robert E. Lee, Stonewall Jackson. Oh, we got Abraham Lincoln right here again. Then we got Martin Luther King. The one I went to in Hot Springs, Arkansas, they had it where he was in the play that he was watching before he was about to get assassinated, and that was a creepy scene. We got the Duke right here on his horse to greet you into the western town. We got the creepy fortune teller lady right here. She actually made me look better than some of these wax figures. Okay, we got the outlaws. Do you smell smoke? This guy looks like he smells smoke. He looks creepy. We got old Jesse James.
Looks like that one guy at the store.
We got Annie Oakley. Billy the Kid back there. Who is this? Wyatt Earp? Yeah. Geronimo back there. Bat Masterson. I don't know too much about you. Wild Bill Hickok. Cool, cool. Belle Star. That's cool. Looks like we're exiting the wax of the westerns. Good old Johnny Cash here. The Man in Black. Oh, it's a little jump scare. I thought these were people, I'm not gonna lie.
Me too.
You guys are trickery.
What if it was? What if there's what? I'm behind now.
Oh, you guys are trickery.
We have so much Abraham Lincoln.
They do. Oh, these are the first sculpts of them.
How did we get their hands?
And here we go with beginning, middle, and end Michaels. That is so cool. Here we have Mr. Tony Stark himself, Robert Downey Jr. Then we got the Iron Man. Then we got Thor here. We got the Black Panther, that is cool. the Hulk, and Captain America. Can we hold this shield? Oh no, but you can get behind it and make it look like you're holding it. Oh, look at that Black Panther. Look at his hands. You can tell some of the mechanics of his costumes. Very cool. Toots is over here with the Minions. What do we got? We got Spider-Man on the wall. A lot of those weren't even wax figures. They're more like plastic. Oh, you're breaking in the building that Spider-Man's climbing on. Here we got Wonder Woman. Looking fierce. Oh, she's in a telephone booth that Superman changes in. What do we got? Catwoman right here. Did you? We got the Riddler. For some reason, I guess he's drunk. He's not standing up. What is the case of you doing this? And it looks like you got double masks. One's on the outside, one on the end. Then we got Batman here looking kind of odd. It's a cool bat suit though, I'll say that. Oh, then we got a new Joker. They used to have the old Jack Nicholson Joker. Now we got the newer one. And his eyes are barely open. Kinda cool. Here we got the Undertaker, the Phenom. Then we got The Rock right here, the Great One, the People's Champ. And we got old Mr. Cena, You Can't See Me. We see you loud and clear today, buddy. Yeah, it looks like we're entering the life of Christ. And here's Jesus. There's Mary down there. There's Joseph being born.
See how the lilies.
Oh, then we got Jesus over here.
They do not labor or spin.
Telling some stories.
Yet I tell you that not even Solomon in all his splendor was dressed like one of these.
Here we have Jesus as well. He was only 30 something. They make him look so much older. Oh, is this the Last Supper? Yeah, let's see. We got, where's...
James is under the blanket.
Yeah, look at all these guys. They're all just relaxing. This guy's sprawled out. I wonder if this is more accurate to what it would have looked like. And you got Judas over there. See that guy that's looking all sketchy looking at us like he's mad?
Yeah.
That's Judas. And here we have the crucifixion. You have the two sinners. In the middle, Jesus. You know, some people, this guy looks like he knows he's not making a good decision. One of these are Mary right here. This guy right here is praying to God. This guy looks extra scary right now. Man, this is rough looking, huh? Now we're going into the tomb.
I'm scared he's gonna pop out at me.
No. There's Jesus laying down in the
You
tomb.
can see like the blood.
Oh yeah, where he got crucified. I'm gonna walk through this cave a little bit more. Hopefully no jump scares.
Okay, so there was no jump scare.
Well, I'm hoping. You know, we got Christ is risen. You can still see the hole in his hand. The ones in his feet.
So sad.
Going into the prop shop. It's like a cheetah elk head. Got some Star Wars people here. I don't know any of these Star Wars people.
I think we go that way.
Go this way? Oh, yep, we go into the storybook. Who do we got? We got Red Riding Hood and the wolf behind her.
Rapunzel and then Cinderella.
Look at that creepy wolf trying to be creepy. Who is this, Cinderella?
That's Rapunzel, that's Cinderella.
Oh, Rapunzel? Oh, yep, we got Cinderella. No, these are both Cinderella right here. Rapunzel's right here.
Oh!
Hey, Cinderella. Hi-ho. Look at that. Can we just climb your hair real quick to come help you? We'll help a lady out. Oh, is that Scary Witch?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a whole weird scene. So, we got Prince Charming right here. Snow White after eating the apple. She looks like a real lady, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And then you got old Creep over here, looking creepy. And who is this? Are you just reading all these books out loud? Okay. We got Geppetto and Pinocchio. Oh, we got Peter Pan up there. This is crazy. Come to life. Oh, Captain Hood. I love your mustache, Captain.
Lunch? No. Yeah.
All from the mind of Walt Disney. Alright, more fun ahead. Got the Pope right here. Gandhi right here. Joseph Stalin right there. Adolf Hitler. Look how short this guy was. Short and mean. It's crazy looking to him face to face. It's kind of creepy. Then we got Vladimir over here looking all extra sketch. See, why didn't Joseph Stalin look near as mean as Hitler? That's crazy. And why are they by Gandhi and Nelson Mandela? This guy up here that you can't see is Jack the Ripper. See if your flashlight will shine light. I want to see what he looks like. No, we can see your hand. That's about it.
I'm scared. You want to go through the claustrophobia room?
All right, that was the Wax Museum. If you want to see the horror at Chambers, check out my next video.